All right, let's get into it. Hey, Peter. Working on this stupid layout. Getting too old for this. Can you hear me okay? Wicked. That's good to know. Right. How are you doing today so far? So, below the Q, below the daily, current 1 hour is sort of correcting down, still bullish, so potential. See whether we pop. We've already taken previous day high. So potentially we're going to expect to come up. This also then aligns with the Q. So the Q's already, Q's got a little tiny gap from this morning. So if we are going to go bullish, we've got something there. But we'll do that in our pre-New York in a bit. Oh shit, man. What happens to all of us, Peter? It's a shame we can't just lock in our emotions. But things happen every day and they affect when we jump on the charts. Hey Stacker. Yeah, I'm just testing the I'm just trying to get the stream ready for doing some London streams, as we spoke about on YouTube. So spent a bit of time this morning just looking into Streamlabs, and then I'll try and get the stream set up. It is a new day tomorrow. That's the beautiful thing about it, Peter. Every day we start again, right? We just keep going, and then it'll get better. It'll get easier. Yeah, it's, I mean, Obviously I don't like it when we come back up again. It's a difficult one, that. You could quite easily see a reason for it to come a bit lower, so won't kick yourself too much, buddy. These are what I don't like. So you see how far away we are from the golden candle, and then the sell signal is on the push that's just taken quite a prominent low. See this? Now the wicks stand out. See, if the sell signal was round here, then this probably would have been more ideal. It's just heading into those lows or something like that. Don't like it. But then, to be fair, this sort of reaction off of that low and then coming back through, you'd expect that's the reaction, and then could come on back down. We get a bullish golden candle on the hour, that'd be nice. Just basically closing back above the daily. I think Asia high today is a good one. At least I'll say, Pickles, at least you're making money and just losing the money you made. You'll make it back. There's so many, just be another A+ setup. And it'll come good. Let's have a little look around. See how things have been. Whoa, hello. What's this? Massive candle. Okay. Oh God. So gold hasn't taken previous day high yet. When we go up, some musical. All right. London high swept. Straight to London low for NQ. So for CL. Interesting. Have taken previous day high though. We just come up to the current day. Don't like these previous 4 hours when they're below the daily, like this with CL. Can just get caught up on it, especially when we've been bullish beforehand. YM's taken the previous daily low. of. So the 4 hours started, hasn't taken the previous 4 hour low. Previous hour didn't take previous hour low as well. So you look, came down but we didn't take the low. Flipped and went bullish back to the Q. Didn't take the previous hour high, so we have an inside bar, pretty big inside bar. See? We got news today, haven't we? Got news today, let's have a look. No. Powell, 8:30. But nothing crazy. What a weird time with the government shutdown. Not having so much news. Have you ever traded during a government shutdown? Not me. Quiet in here now about tea. He's having a good holiday though. Took some little scalps this morning. Nothing any too crazy. These. I was leaving one running for. So there's this golden candle here. I was leaving one running for the lows and just got wicked. So just half a position. Took some profit. Yeah, he is. Topping off his Gary Barlow. Looking funny. Oh shit. I was in Manchester on Tuesday. I was wondering what the fuck was going on, but it was the Tory conference, wasn't it? The office is in Spinningfield, so it was only, I think it was just up the road, wasn't it? Keep yawning. Wake up. Pull yourself together. Yeah, it's been a pretty stressful couple of weeks, really. trying to. Some of you may know I'm trying to move to France. So I had a buyer for my house, and then the buyer for the house pulled out yesterday. So I'm trying to sort something else out so we don't lose the house that we've put an offer in. That's a fucking nightmare. Oh. Everyday life affects trading, right? Not much you can do about that. Well, you can. You can live on your own. Hide away. Where are we? So 5 minutes now going bullish, 1 minute's coming up. You can see the hourly here, right? So I've had a little bit of, let's make this bigger. So very bullish, starting to level out. Started that correction. A little bit of a retracement, a little bit coming down. So possibly just another retracement up until we get a bullish golden candle. We're not going to say that this is the breakout, right? We could still break down. The 50 is here, so the 50 is quite far away. So we are overextended. Morning. We are overextended. So we've got this stream, right? And then I'll show you when we go into a trade. Boom! Hey? Hey? Get rid of the noise. Focus it just on the trade. Nice. I like that. Check that out. So yeah, when we're going to take a trade, we'll jump into this section so that we can go into what we're doing. So my 10.80 R is, I think it's 2 targets, it's a partial, and then I just move them. Let's have a look. Don't think you'll be able to see. Yeah, so I have 10 points, half, and then another one at 20 points inside of there. Just to get them on the charts. Obviously then if a group trade, it'll be none. What did I do? I broke it. It's back, back. Don't minus it down. Okay. And then I need to change this. So at the moment, I've got the intermission, right? So I need to change the, get rid of that intermission. And then while we're waiting for a setup, we'll just mark up our trades. This will be our kind of pre-trade position. You can hang out. Might even have put some sports on or something in the background. Quickest way probably to get banned from YouTube. With some football on in the background. Right, new 1 hour. So inside bar, inside bar, inside bar. Yeah. There you go. Just sitting inside this last move down. No worries, we're going to be obviously live at New York. I was just coming on to test the stream, make sure everything worked okay, mic and all that sort of thing, so I appreciate you guys coming on, just give me a hand. If there was an opportunity, obviously we would have jumped in, otherwise we're just having a look. So we didn't have any inside bars when we came down and corrected last, apart from this one, but we very quickly came up and then high and low, reversing. So we haven't taken a high yet. So I think the high of this inside bar here would be our first indication of potentially some bullishness, which you can see that we are starting to move up. Let's have a look on the 1 minute. Right, there's our previous hour high. You can see 5 minute volume. I think it's just going to play around a bit. Bear me a sec. You alright? I've tried ringing, but why? What's up? They're not ringing me, Mel, no? Yeah, I mean, I did put that on the score to say ring me. Yeah. Oh, it won't be. Okay. Oh, no. No, it's stupid. No, no. Oh, that's nice of her. You can't know. Yeah, thanks, love. Alright. Yeah, alright. I agree. Just ghost him. Alright. Bye. Sorry about that. Wife was on the phone. She doesn't normally ring me. Everything's dead quiet. What's going on? Dee-dee-dee-dee. Can't see much at the moment. Let's check CL because that was coming down. It's going back up. Yeah. When we have this daily and then the previous 4 hour below can often like be the point of where we start that messing around and then come back up again. Ay ay ay. That looks better. ES is back into the daily, above the 4. It's taken the previous hour. High. Hey. Previous 4 hours all the way up here. Bullish volume on the 5 minute. It looks much stronger than NQ, unless NQ's coming up. Yeah, see how NQ's just hanging around a bit. We've got quite a bit more distance to go with NQ. ES is a bit more bullish. See whether ES is taking. Yeah, so ES has taken previous day high as well. So this is we are now back above on the Q, right? So NQ's closer, but still below. Just remembering that gap, right? So we could come and fill that today. Let's have a look at where do we need to close on NQ. So let me just take all that off. Normal candles, regular trading. Right, so we closed. Let's have a look. Okay. So if NQ's going to open without a gap, we need to get up to here. Looking like it might. I think what we'll do is we've got an hour and 45 minutes. So I'm going to go and touch grass, get a bit of fresh air while I'm waiting for this to sort itself out. We're coming back down again. And then be ready for our live session at 2. Thank you for coming on though and making sure that the stream's working right for me so we can get some London streams up and running. But yeah, appreciate it. Other than that, guys, thank you very much. I'll see you at 2 if you're coming on. And yeah, I would give yourself some space if you're just hanging around watching the charts. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye bye.